Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Asana team member cannot see tasks issue. Many users report that some team members can't view tasks, and it usually happens due to permissions, project settings, or task assignments. First, check project permissions. Make sure the member has access to the project. If they are not added to the project, tasks won't appear. Step 1, verify task assignments. Tasks may be assigned to specific members. Unassigned or restricted tasks may not show for others. Step 2, check section or custom field restrictions. Some sections or fields may hide tasks for certain roles. Confirm if any rules are limiting visibility. Step 3, review team or workspace roles. Guests or limited access members may not see all tasks. Upgrade their role to give proper access if needed. Step 4, clear browser cache or try a different browser. Outdated cache may prevent tasks from loading. Chrome, Firefox, or Edge usually work best. Step 5, check filters and views. Active filters may hide tasks. Remove filters or switch to all tasks view. Step 6, update the Asana app if using desktop or mobile. Outdated apps may cause task visibility bugs. Always use the latest version. Finally, contact Asana support if the issue persists. Provide your workspace project and steps tried. Support can investigate system-side problems. So yeah, fixing Asana team members not seeing tasks is about checking project permissions, task assignments, section restrictions, member roles, clearing cache, checking filters, updating the app, and contacting support. Follow these steps and tasks should be visible to all members. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.